Let's be real. Airports are basically obstacle courses designed to test your patience. First, you've got the security lines that seem to stretch on longer than a cross-country flight. You're stuck behind someone who forgot to take off their shoes, someone else trying to sneak a whole tube of toothpaste through, and let's not even get started on the families who seem to travel with their entire households. It's chaos, and it's enough to make you miss your flight entirely. Then there are the hidden fees. You think you've snagged a sweet deal on that budget airline only to get hit with baggage fees, seat selection fees, and even fees for breathing the airplane air. Okay, maybe not that last one, but it feels like it sometimes, right? It's like they're trying to nickel and dime you for every single thing, and don't even get me started on navigating the airport itself. It's like they designed these places to be confusing on purpose. You're sprinting through terminals, deciphering cryptic signs, and praying you don't end up at the wrong gate. It's enough to make you miss your flight, even if you show up with hours to spare. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. You see those people gliding through security like they own the place? They're not superhuman, they've just got the inside scoop, and lucky for you, I'm about to share those secrets. So stick around, because in the next few chapters, I'm going to break down the ultimate airport hacks that will transform you from a frustrated traveler into a travel ninja. Get ready to say goodbye to airport stress and hello to smooth sailing. Listen, I get it. Nobody likes hidden fees. It's like getting slapped in the face with a wet fish, unexpected and unpleasant. But the good news is most of these fees are totally avoidable. First off, pack light. I'm talking carry-on only people. Not only does this save you money on baggage fees, but it also means you get to skip the whole baggage claim ordeal. Trust me, that alone is worth its weight in gold. Now let's talk about seat selection fees. This one's easy. Most airlines let you choose your seat for free when you check in online, so set a reminder and do it as soon as check-in opens. Boom! No more middle seat from hell. And if you do get stuck with a less than ideal seat, don't be afraid to ask politely at the gate. Sometimes they'll move you to a better spot if there's space available. But my secret weapon? Travel rewards credit cards. I'm talking about those bad boys that give you points, miles and perks just for using them. Many of these cards offer free checked bags, priority boarding, and even airport lounge access. That's right, you can sip cocktails and enjoy free snacks while everyone else is stuck in the main terminal wondering where their life went wrong. Okay, let's talk about navigating the airport. These places can be confusing, but there's one thing that will change your life. Learn to read the airport maps. I know it sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people just wander around aimlessly like lost puppies. Most airports have maps online, so you can even scope it out before you arrive. Knowing where you're going is half the battle. Another pro tip, download the airport's app. These apps are like having a personal tour guide in your pocket. They've got everything from real-time flight updates to restaurant and shop directories. Plus, they usually have those handy maps built in so you can navigate like a pro. And for the ultimate travel hack, invest in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. I'm telling you, these programs are game changers. You get to breeze through dedicated security lines, keep your shoes on, your laptop in your bag, and basically feel like a VIP. Yeah, it costs a few bucks up front, but the time and stress you save is priceless. Chapter 4, Packing Like a Boss. All right, let's talk packing. This is where a lot of people mess up, but it doesn't have to be a struggle. My philosophy, pack light, pack smart. Start by making a list of everything you think you need, then cut it in half. Seriously, you can wear the same pair of jeans twice and nobody will judge you. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. This saves space and helps prevent wrinkles. Plus, it's oddly satisfying. Use packing cubes to keep everything organized. These little zippered pouches are lifesavers when it comes to maximizing space in your carry-on. And here's a pro tip. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. That's right, your heaviest shoes, your jacket, even that oversized sweater your grandma knitted for you. It might feel a little weird, but hey, you're saving space and avoiding baggage fees. Who's laughing now? Chapter 5. The art of choosing the right security line. Picking the right security line is like a game of chess. You got to be strategic. First things first, avoid the lines with families and small children. I love kids, but let's be real, they can slow things down. Look for lines with business travelers. They're usually in a hurry and know the drill. Check which security lanes are open. Sometimes one side might be moving faster than the other. Don't be afraid to switch lanes if you see a better opportunity. And whatever you do, don't be that person who cuts in line at the last minute. Nobody likes that guy. Chapter 6. Real-time updates are your new best friend. We live in a world of smartphones, so use them to your advantage. Download a flight tracking app like FlightAware or FlightRadar24. These apps give you real-time updates on your flight status, gate changes, and even delays. Knowledge is power, my friends. Check the airport's website or app for real-time security wait times. This can help you decide which security checkpoint to use and give you an idea of how much time to allow. And if you're really feeling fancy, some airports even have apps that let you order food and drinks from your phone and have them delivered right to your gate. Talk about traveling in style. Chapter 7. Lounging like a rock star. Airport lounges. They used to be the exclusive domain of fancy business travelers, but not anymore. Now, anyone can enjoy the luxury of comfy chairs, free snacks, and unlimited Wi-Fi. Many lounges offer day passes, so you can escape the chaos of the main terminal for a few hours of peace and quiet. Check if your credit card offers lounge access. Some travel rewards cards come with complimentary lounge access or discounted rates. And trust me, it's worth it. Once you go lounge, you never go back. Listen up, people, because I'm about to drop some serious travel wisdom. If there's one thing you take away from this video, let it be this: get TSA pre-check. Seriously, it's a game changer. For a small fee, you get to breeze through security like a boss. No more taking off your shoes, no more wrestling your laptop out of your bag, no more feeling like a suspect in a crime drama. It's like a secret society of efficient travelers, and you're invited. Plus, it makes you feel kind of important, and who doesn't love that? If you're a frequent international traveler, then Global Entry is your new best friend. It's like TSA PreCheck on steroids. You get all the benefits of PreCheck, plus expedited entry into the United States. That means no more waiting in those ridiculously long customs lines. You just waltz up to a kiosk, scan your passport, answer a few questions, and you're on your way. It's like magic, but better, because it actually works. Plus, Global Entry includes TSA PreCheck, so you're basically getting two amazing programs for the price of one. It's a no-brainer, people. Listen, I know this might sound obvious, but join those frequent flyer programs. I'm talking about racking up those miles like they're going out of style. Every flight, every hotel stay, every rental car, it all adds up, and before you know it, you'll be swimming in miles, redeeming them for free flights, upgrades, and all sorts of other goodies. Sign up for multiple programs. This way you can earn miles on different airlines and find the best redemption options. And don't forget to check for bonus offers and promotions. Airlines are always running deals, so make sure you're taking advantage of every opportunity to earn more miles. Remember, those miles are like currency, and every little bit counts. There you have it, my friends. 10 airport hacks that will transform you from a stressed-out traveler into a travel ninja. From packing light to mastering the art of the security line, these tips will save you time, money, and maybe even your sanity. So the next time you find yourself facing down the airport gauntlet, remember these hacks and navigate those terminals with confidence. And hey, if you've got any airport hacks of your own, share them in the comments below. Let's build a community of savvy travelers who are always one step ahead. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more travel tips, tricks, and adventures. Until next time, safe travels.